Hello, so as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you today how to create a budget in QuickBooks for your business. So once you log in, you should be on your dashboard here. So you would click on the gear icon here in the top right hand corner, and you want to click on budgeting. If you've never created a budget before, you'll have a screen. You just want to click the green Add Budget button. Here in this case, I will click Add Budget. Now you want to give your budget a name. So we'll be creating a budget for next year. We're working on budgeting for the following year. So I'll name it 2023 budget. And you select the corresponding year here. You can do a budget for monthly intervals, quarterly or yearly. We'll be doing monthly here, so we'll leave it at monthly. The pre-fill data, what that does is it inputs your current year or last year, or if you select no, you just start with a blank screen, a blank sheet here. So what we'll do, we'll input our current year and adjust them for next year. And as you can see, the numbers populated down at the bottom, our current year revenue, income, and expenses. And if you want to subdivide, you can create a goal, your budget based on customers, but we're not going to subdivide in this session. So now you click Create Budget. And now you can go through and update the figures. So for example here, for design income, our goal, our budget for January will be, let's say, $250. The budget for March will be $340. And if you want to copy it over, you click this blue button and it copies it over to all the months, $340, that same number. So you have your income at the top. And your accounts, it goes based on your current income statement. So it'll populate your accounts. These accounts, of course, are what I have for my business. So yours of course will be different, the names. And then here are our expenses, and you will go through and enter your budget for the month for each expense. So for advertising, for the month of February, we want to do $150, and we'll copy that over because it'll be the same for each month. Once you finish entering your numbers, you click Save. Or you can save and close. Now, once your budget is there, how you compare your actual to your budget each month. Now, of course, we did do a budget for the current year, 2022, so we can compare our current year figures to our budget. The way you look at that, you would go to Reports. And under Business Overview, you want to click Budget versus Actual. And here you want to make sure the periods are correct. So we're looking at, let's see, last month. You want to look at August 2022. So we click last month and it entered the dates for August. And we want to make sure we are comparing it to current year budget, the 2022 budget. So you select 2022 budget there and run report. And here you see, so for example, in August, our design income, our actual income was $1,275 and our budget was $1,175. So we were over budget, of course. We made our budget, so we met we were over budget by $100, which was $108 0.51%. Let's see. Here in installation, our actual was $250, and our budget, our budget was $500, so we were under budget by $250, which was 50%. And you would just go through each category and you compare your actual to budget and see where you need to make adjustments going forward. I would say it's a good idea to not wait to the end of the month to do this. Perhaps if you have the time to do it weekly or every 2 weeks, just to see where you are so you can make adjustments before it's too late. If you have any questions, please feel to reach out to us, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.